That almost looked like a chicken butt. Look at that. Open it up. I bought the mushrooms from Sprouts, cleaned them up a little bit, and seasoned them just like I would chicken. I started by using some pink Himalayan salt, smoked paprika, onion powder, black pepper, and garlic powder. I rubbed it in pretty good without them falling apart. And then I made a wet batter using plant-based milk and all of the same ingredients that I used before on the mushrooms. Then I created a dry batter. I used all-purpose flour and I put in all of the same ingredients: paprika, salt, garlic powder, pepper, and onion powder. Mix that up really good. And then I got my frying pan out and 100% grapeseed oil. I made sure it was nice and hot. Then I dipped the mushroom in the wet batter, then the dry batter, and put it in the grease. I took the pieces out when they were brown, let them drain on a rack, and we were ready to eat.
This must look like a Starship Enterprise.
Right.
There you go. See
Can
that?
I try?
I wasn't about to put it in my mouth. But here it goes. It tastes like chicken. Actually,
Can I
not
taste
bad.
it? Daddy, can I taste it?
It's
No,
not
it's not
bad.
bad. No, seriously, it's good. No, it's good.
Can I try some?
Nah, it's good. Let me get some red rooster, but yeah.
No,
some
can I
hot sauce.
try?
Red rooster
No,
on
can
there.
I try some?
Sky, you are too picky.
Nah, I'm not gonna do that. You're not gonna want to come back.
That's not true.
They put some hot sauce on there.
That's not bad, Roy. Not
I
bad,
want
actually.
to try some.
You heard it, folks. That wasn't bad.
It wasn't bad.
It's close to chicken, right? The flavor. Come on now.
It's good. I ain't gonna tell you. It's close.
The texture. I'm
The
not talking about the
texture.
texture.
Oh, yeah,
I'm
yeah,
talking
okay.
about the.
The seasoning?
The seasoning.
Yeah, seasoning is. Yeah, you could have almost fooled me like that's chicken based on the seasoning.
But it's good.
Blindfold.
It's
If
not
I
like.
did it like this, then I
If you had a choice between chicken and this, you would eat the chicken.
yeah, obviously, but if I needed a second choice, yeah, I would go with that without a problem.
It's like Hunter.
No, it's
what you
good.
say was like a good appetizer.
Yeah, it is a good. Yeah, actually, I would put that under that category. So if you creating a menu, toss that joint under appetizer. Yeah.
I have to say it's much better today. And I think it'll only get better as I continue to work with it. But a lot of factors. The first mushrooms I got from the dollar store. This time I used milk instead of not just eggs. So it could be either one of those two things. I made sure I got these from Sprouts. They are really, I think this is the move. Now they were $9, but they're pretty good. Thank you, My Vegan Kitchen Life. I appreciate you.